Alright, so welcome once again. Today we will look at akụkụ ahụ mmadụ na nrugosi ha n'ahịrị okwu. That is what that means. Parts of human body and using them to make sentence. Parts of human body and using them to make sentences in Igbo language. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to know how Igbo people call the human body, or how Igbo people call the parts of the human body in their language. So look at it here. Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ na-eserese. That is part of the body on a diagram. So you can see this diagram. This is a human being there. So now we'll carefully look at the parts of the body using this drawing here. Okay, so the first one you can see eye. Eye in Igbo means anya. Then nose. Okay, eye in Igbo means anya. Okay, nose, as you can see there, nose in Igbo means imi. Okay, when I have teeth, teeth in Igbo means, this is teeth, means eze. When I have the jaw here, the jaw means agba. Sometimes in your exam, they will draw these things and say you should label. So even if you are learning this thing from outside Nigeria or anywhere, just know it's good you just know the part of human body in Igbo. Okay, so jaw is aba. You have neck. Neck is olu. Neck in Igbo is olu. Chest in Igbo is obi. When I have hand, aka, hand is aka. We have stomach. Stomach you are seeing there. Stomach is afo. We now have navel. Navel is otubo. Navel is otubo. We now have finger. That is the human finger. The human finger is mkpịsị aka. We now have the lap. In Igbo we call it akpata ụkwụ. We now have the knee. We call it ikpere. The knee we call it ikpere. We now have the toes. The toes we call it mkpịsị ụkwụ. Alright, I believe you are learning. Thank you very much. Continue learning. Okay, we have the soul. Yes, the soul. I don't know if I can show it my own. Okay, the soul is called obo uku. We now have the heel. We call it ikere uku. We have the leg. We call it uku. The leg is called uku in Igbo. Have the fingernail. The fingernail is called mbo aka. We have the buttocks. It's called ike in Igbo. Ike, that is buttocks, called ike. We have the waist. It's called oku. We have the elbow. It's called nku aka in Igbo. Have the breast. It's called ara in Igbo. We have the shoulder. The shoulder is called ngo in Igbo. Ngo in Igbo. Okay. We have the mouth. The mouth is called ono in Igbo. We have the cheek. Okay, the cheek is called nti. We We have the ear. The ear is called ntị. So it's a two different things. You can see that I with double dot. Cheek, ntị, have I with one dot. But ear has, which is ntị, has I with double dot. You can see the difference there. You have the head, which is isi. The head, isi. Okay, you have the hair, which is ntutu isi. Your hair is ntutu isi in Igbo language. Okay, we'll go further, so you can repeat this video as often as you can for you to master it. So we'll continue. Now, nrugosi akụkụ ahụ mmadụ n'ahịrịokwu Igbo. Now, okay, using parts of the human body to form sentences in Igbo. Okay, we use parts of the human body to form sentences in Igbo. Now, we see tongue. You can see the picture there. We want to use the tongue to form sentence. So, the tongue in Igbo is ire. Ire. Now, the sentence is enwere m otu ire. The English format is I have one tongue. I have one tongue. Now, look at the next one, which is what? Stomach. Stomach in Igbo is afọ. So you can see the picture there. Okay? Which is afọ. Stomach, afọ. Alright, so let's make sentence with it. Afọ Uche buru ibu. Afọ Uche buru ibu. So the English format means Uche's stomach is big. Either you call it big or you call it large. So you can see the stomach there in the picture. Okay, let's look at the palm. Palm. Your palm. So you can see the picture there. Your palm in Igbo is obo aka. Obo aka. That is your palm. Obo aka. Okay, let's use it to make sentence. Oba akam na acha ocha. Obo akam. Okay. Obo akam na acha ocha. You look at the English expression there. My palm is fair in complexion or color. My palm is fair in complexion or color. Obo akam na acha ocha. Alright, so you can see it there. We have the next one, which is nose. You can see the nose in the picture. The nose in Igbo is called imi. Imi. Okay, let's use it to make sentence. Ada nwere imi. Ada has nose. That's the English format. Then Igbo. Ada nwere imi. Nwere is has. Imi is nose. Ada is Ada. Okay, we'll now move further. Look at mouth in Igbo is ọnụ. Recognize those dots there in O and U. Recognize those dots. Ọnụ, mouth, ọnụ. You can see this, the mouth there. Okay, let's use it and make sentence. Okay, let's use it and make sentence. Eji m ọnụ m ekwu okwu. Eji m ọnụ m ekwu okwu. So the English translation says, I talk with my mouth. I talk with my mouth. Okay, that's great. Let's proceed. Okay, let's proceed. More sentences coming up. We have the picture, the jaw, which is agba. Let's use it and make sentence. Emeka nwere agba. The English translation says Emeka has jaw. Emeka nwere agba. So nwere is has in English. Then jaw is agba. Okay. So look at teeth. You can see the teeth. This person's teeth. Teeth in Igbo is eze. Okay, let's make sentence with eze. Ezem dapụrụ adapụ. That is funny. Ezem dapụrụ adapụ. Okay, it means I lost my teeth. I lost my teeth. Okay, the next human body we are going to use is, I see the picture there, is breast. Breast in Igbo means ara. Ara. So I see the picture there. So let's use it to make sentence. Nneka na-enye nwa ya ara. Nneka na-enye nwa ya ara. Okay, in English means Nneka is breastfeeding her baby. Nneka is breastfeeding her baby. All right. Okay, let's do another one, which is what? Hair. So you can see the hair. Look at that human hair. Okay. Hair in Igbo means ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Okay. Let's make sentence with that. Ntutu isi m na-eji oji. The English format is my hair is black. My hair is black. Okay, let's look at another one, which is what? Shoulder. You can see the picture there. This is somebody's shoulder. Showing there. Shoulder. Okay. Shoulder means ngu. Ngu in Igbo. So let's make sentence with it. Ngu Obinna de obosara. Ngu Obinna de obosara. Obinna's shoulder is large. So large in Igbo is obosara. Alright. That's great. Okay, let's go further. Okay, this is where we'll stop for now. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please ask that question in the comment section. We'll be very, very glad to respond to your question. And as we are learning how to read Igbo language, so it's good. Languages are good because when you may not know where you find yourself tomorrow, so that's why you learn language. So Igbo language is one of the popular language we have in Nigeria and in the world. It's very good you learn the language. In case if you want to learn it person by person, just reach out to us. Get some, just chat in that comment option there that you want to learn, and we'll be glad to teach you so you learn perfectly. Anywhere, you can stay anywhere in the world and learn it. Anywhere. We now have educational technologies that we use to teach people. So thank you very much. Stay tuned to this channel.